Setting up project environment in Agile. This involves creating a collaborative and adaptive workspace that facilitates communication, transparency, and the iterative development process. Here are steps to help you set up the project environment in an Agile context. Number 1, define team roles. Identify and assign roles such as Scrum Master, Product Owner, and development team members. Clearly define the responsibilities of each role in the Agile framework. Select an Agile framework. Choose an Agile framework that best fits your project requirements. Scrum, Kanban, and Lean are popular choices. Then tailor the chosen framework to suit the specific needs of your team and project. Establish a collaborative workspace. Create a physical or virtual workspace that promotes collaboration among team members. Use tools like digital boards, project management software, and communication platforms to facilitate collaboration, information sharing, and transparency. Fourth, set up version control. Implement a version control system to manage source code and track changes. Popular version control systems include Git, Mercurial, SVN. Fifth, define and prioritize the product backlog. Collaboratively create a product backlog, a prioritized list of features, enhancements, and bug fixes. Work with the product owner to prioritize backlog items based on business value and dependencies. 6. Sprint planning and backlog refinement. Conduct sprint planning meetings to select backlog items for the upcoming sprint. Refine the backlog regularly to ensure that it is well groomed and ready for planning. 7. Set up regular ceremonies. Schedule and conduct Agile ceremonies, including daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint review, and sprint retrospective meetings. Ensure that these meetings are held at consistent times to promote routine and predictability. 8. Implement continuous integration and continuous delivery. Set up CI/CD pipelines to automate the building, testing, and deployment processes. Enable the team to deliver potentially shippable increments at the end of each sprint. 9. Establish the definition of done. Define the criteria that must be met for a user story or task to be considered done. Ensure that the definition of done is agreed upon by the entire team. 10. Encourage open communication. Foster a culture of open communication and collaboration among team members. Use communication tools such as instant messaging and video conferencing to facilitate quick and effective communication. 11. Provide training and support. Offer training on Agile principles, practices, and tools to team members who may not be familiar with Agile methodologies. Provide ongoing support to address any challenges or questions that arise during the adoption of Agile practices. And finally, monitor and adapt. Regularly inspect and adapt the Agile processes and the project environment. Use feedback from retrospectives and metrics to identify areas of improvement and make necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can create an Agile project environment that fosters collaboration, adaptability, and the delivery of value to stakeholders through iterative development.